Iceman 50 here. So it's now 1 month and 2 days since the knee surgery, and as you can tell, I'm back on the ground. The knee's feeling pretty good, especially after last week's disaster of my physical therapy. It took me like 4 or 5 days to get over whatever that was. It was pretty brutal. I overworked it somehow. I don't know, maybe the bicycle they had me on or something. I don't know. I'm either not going to do it or barely do that. My bones hurt for like almost a week, right? So, but man, I miss this thing. Rip it. Man. Anyways, yeah, I can move my knee back. It's more than 90 degrees, so it's time to ride. What else was I gonna tell you guys? I don't know, business has been kind of slow. I haven't gotten any kind of panel washers or any kind of washer orders in like a week or two. I don't know. If you guys need some, let me know. Hit me up. Cause I'm struggling here. You know, the struggle is real. But yeah, it's good to be back on the Grom. I'm working on I told you guys I'm working on a Game Boy video. Actually, it's all done. I uploaded it to YouTube, so you can, if you want to see a video on how to step-by-step upgrade your original DMG-01 Game Boy, check it out. I think you're gonna like it. It's pretty informative. You know, I show you exactly how to do it. So, man, somebody fucked with all my mirrors. Jesus. But yeah. So I found my my original brace that I've got underneath my my jeans here. It's working pretty well. It helps stabilize the knee while I'm doing whatever, and it's not that big bulky thing. So we just gotta take it easy. But this is amazing. We're back up on the Grom. Glad to be here with you guys. Enjoying myself. It's very warm, 58 degrees. 50. It's a very warm 58 degrees here, and in the mornings. It's getting up to about 75, 76 in the evening, which is nice. This is my favorite time of year. You know, this is when fall starts happening. You know. So, oh look, a street sweeper. You see those guys occasionally. Man, I don't know what the hell happened to my mirror situation here, but it's kind of fucked. Hope that's not 50 behind me. Certainly seems like it. Oh boy. We're just gonna chill. Not like I don't anyways. So, I put my new sticker on this morning. I got a 23 sticker, my registration. I wasn't gonna ride without sticking that on. That took all of 2 seconds. Oh, the guy wearing a mask. Anywho, so yeah, this is great. I'm thinking maybe this weekend I can actually try to get to the toughpods install. I was looking back at my videos. The first part where I was testing them and putting all the connectors and everything on was a year ago. I can't believe that was a year ago. But it was. So it'd be nice to maybe circle back around to that. I think I want to start with 2. One kind of up front and one kind of in the back. I don't know. Might have to design some kind of little 3D printed plate or something to bolt on to somewhere. You know, I don't want to do it all hokey with zip ties. You know, I want to mount it pretty good. So we'll see what options we have. We'll dig back into that. You know, I still have my like chain slide, my TST Industries chain adjuster and all that. I haven't done that yet. You know, my only hesitation is that I don't, you know, I'm gonna have to use like a car jack to jack this thing up or something. I don't know, kind of sketch, but we'll get it done one way or another. But yeah. Oh, you know, I don't know how many of you guys like sci-fi stuff. I mean, you know I do. But I've been watching a new TV show on Amazon. I'm actually starting to like Amazon better than Netflix, believe it or not. I don't know, Netflix to me has been just kind of blah, you know? My wife likes it. I don't know, I would just cancel my subscription if it were up to me, but, you know. So, there's a show with Josh Brolin, you know, Thanos, Cable from Deadpool. It's called Outer Range, and it's pretty interesting. As far as I know, there's only one season. I'm on like episode 6. I don't know how many episodes there are. I'm guessing 10. But it's kind of a sci-fi show. It's been kind of taking a while to develop the story, but it seems like it's going along. But it's kind of interesting, like almost parallel worlds or time travel or something. I don't know. You guys, if you're into that kind of stuff, you guys might like it. So you should check it out. It's streaming right now on Amazon. There was something else. Oh, we watched Samaritan. That was pretty good. It's like the best superhero movie I've seen in quite a while. Dang, this guy's got dirt hanging off the back of his truck here and grass. So, anyways, Samaritan was pretty good. It's got Sylvester Stallone in it. You know, it's like, it's not as far as I know, it's not Marvel or DC. It's just, you know, it's kind of like an original superhero movie. It was kind of like a fresh, you know, breath of air. You know, it's not Marvel, it's not DC. It's just a totally unique, random superhero character. So I actually really liked it. But yeah, you guys should check that out too if you're interested in that kind of stuff. Like I said, I like to watch a lot of TV. So, but and my glasses are fogging up. My exhaust wrap is smoking. That's another thing maybe we could do. That's something I'd like to do this weekend too, even before the Tough Pods, is I want to the wrap was a cool idea, but it gets like here, especially, this is the best example, like during the summer there's no condensation, it doesn't get cold, you know. Now, you know, the temperature drops below the dew point, and it gets soaked with water, you know. It absorbs water, and the pipe's like smoking, you know. It's just water, but it's like, I don't know. I bought some high temperature black paint, so I'd like to take my exhaust off, and we'll take the wrap off. And it's cool. I never did anything with the wrap before. I would probably do it again depending on what it was, but you know. Alright, let's badge in here. How you doing?
How are you?
Alright. Oh, okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah. I don't know that guy. It's like, oh, turn it around. It's like, it doesn't work. I can't scan it the other way because all that shit's in the way. The aluminum case that I have in it. Oh man, look how froggy it is out here. That's the thing about Fermilab. It's a really low area, and we get standing fog and, you know, on the road all the time. Woo! And it's definitely colder over here, like a lot colder. Noticeably colder over here. So, anyways, so yeah, we're just back on it. This is amazing, coming to work. My knee feels good. Everything's good. quite light enough for me to put my shaded visor down, and I hate putting my outer visor down. Man, it's pea soup. Yeah. That's great. How much gas do I have? Half a tank. Alright, that's good. That'll get me through the rest of the week. Well, it is Thursday, thank God. Tomorrow's payday. So, one of my buddies, Julian, he started working over here at Fermilab, and I keep telling him, I'm riding in, man. If it ain't raining, I'm riding. You guys know I even have a rain suit, but we're not gonna press our luck on that for a while. Not until the knee gets way better. I mean, I'm planning to ride. I'll ride all the way down like I did last year, down to into the 20s. Fuck it, we'll do it. Because I like spending as little money as possible on gas. But my buddy Julian, he's like, oh, I should ride my bike in one day. He's got have you seen some of my other videos? He's got a Yamaha MT-09. And I don't think he's going to ride it. I don't think he's going to. So, he doesn't like riding in the cold. I mean, I think he thinks, 60 degrees is cold. So, I guess not. But, anywho, while we're here, so now we get to have some more adventures on the bike now that I know I can ride it. So, stay tuned for some more moto vlogs. And I have something very special for Rick planned. Don't tell him. Well, I'm not going to tell you guys because you'll tell him. But I got some parts for some stuff I'm working on for him, so I told him, it's going to be for Christmas. I told him if he was good, maybe Santa would bring him a gift. So we're going to send him something. But all right, guys, that's it for me today. We'll see you on the next one, all right? Easy.